Urine smell never again. Your bathroom cleaner and fragrant for days. For today's tip, we will need softener. And let's separate 150 milliliters. For use, we will use a meter to separate the exact amount needed. And we put it in a bowl. Then we'll need baking soda. And we add a tablespoon to the bowl. And we will mix the ingredients very well. The water of the discharge comes out much cleaner and smelling. After that, we will need half lime. And we're going to squeeze it to put his juice in the bowl. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Trish Monroe from New Zealand. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Now let's add 300 milliliters of water to the bowl. And again, we mix the ingredients very well. And we'll separate for later. Now we're gonna need a bottle big enough. We will remove the lid and insert the mixture into the bottle. I use this tip whenever I see my toilet getting dirtier and smelly. The baking soda is one of the main items for cleaning. Mainly assists in removing fat and stains. Make this tip practical and cheap in your home. You will be surprised by the result. After that, we'll turn the bottle upside down. Then we'll drill 2 holes near the base of the bottle. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. And so is ready today's tip. Now I'll show you how to use it. Let's open the toilet tank lid. Then, we'll plug the holes in the bottle with our fingers and turn the base of the bottle down. After placing the bottle inside the tank, we will uncover the holes. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This mixture will yield a lot just using a small amount. Now just insert the bottle into the water tank and close it again. Now wait between 10 and 15 minutes to flush and see your toilet clean and smelly. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.